Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to complete the challenge from Froakie quest in Pokémon Legends Z-A. Alright, let's begin. You can start this quest at the location shown on the map. When you arrive, talk to the trainer who challenges you to complete a series of timed obstacle courses. The first challenge gives you 30 seconds to reach him. Start running immediately, climb the ladder, move across the path, and reach the top before the timer ends. After finishing the first challenge, another course begins. This one gives you 40 seconds. Be careful not to rush too much, as falling will cost you time. Climb up slowly, align your jumps carefully, and you should complete it with plenty of time left. Next, you'll move to a new location for the final challenge. This one lasts 50 seconds and involves multiple ladders and rolls. Move quickly, but stay precise. Roll across gaps, climb the ladders, and finish before the timer runs out. Completing all challenges successfully rewards you with a Froakie. So that's basically how you can complete the challenge from Froakie quest in Pokémon Legends Z-A. That's it for this video. Thanks.